I'm tired of just plain oatmeal, so I'm going to mix in here yellow cornmeal with oatmeal. Cook them together. The reason why I'm taking a whip to it to prevent the cornmeal from lumping. Now you can stand over this in your pot that you usually cook oatmeal with and stir it so it doesn't stick. Cover it. That's fine. But what I do is I put it on, you can't even see the flame. It's on low. And I'm so lazy that what I'm going to do is I put it there. That's a thick bottom stainless steel pot. And put the lid over on it and set my timer for 30 minutes. And now what do? Now I go inside and watch TV. I will not be here, back here for 30 minutes. I don't have to stand over it. I'm lazy and that's the way I do it. But you know what? It works and nothing sticks to the pan. So it's been a half hour. Let me see how we're doing here. Bubbling. Nothing sticking. Very nice. I'm going to add a few things now. And this cooks faster for me because I use hot water. Only because the house is new, the water lines are plastic, and if you have metal water lines, you're not supposed to be cooking starting off with hot water from the tap. So I'm seasoning just with a little cinnamon, salt, and finishing up with a little protein, which is the egg. So for me, this is a complete breakfast. I mean, it's enough to eat. Where's the butter I said I was putting in there? Why am I putting butter? Because it tastes good. And you don't have to put the butter, but oatmeal has a great flavor when there's butter involved. But you can't even see the flame. It's on the lowest setting there is. But to finish this up, I'm just going to raise it a drop. I am going to also put in here, which is optional, some sriracha hot chili sauce. That's my preference, what can I tell you? I'm also going to add, but I'm not going to show you, I'm going to add some chia seeds to this. And that's it. I'm all done. And my fruit for today is my fresh pineapple that I've cut up. So I have my fruit and my protein. I'm good to go to start off the day. Notice, like I said, nothing stuck. So I get all of the oatmeal out of there. And all I did was put it on the flame, set my timer, come back and finish it. Took me all of what? 2 minutes? Hope you enjoy it.